Whether or not you agree with these points, the urgency of addressing climate change cannot be denied. It's crucial that we all play a part in safeguarding our planet for future generations. Are we really the cause of climate change? Climate change is a topic of great concern, and the consensus among scientists is overwhelmingly in favor of the idea that human activities are the primary driver of this phenomenon. However, today, we'll explore an alternate perspective by presenting 10 points made by some who challenge the mainstream consensus. Keep in mind that these points do not represent the scientific consensus, but they are part of an ongoing discourse. Climate change has been a natural occurrence throughout Earth's history. The planet has gone through periods of warming and cooling long before humans existed. Current changes could simply be part of natural variability. Variations in solar activity, such as changes in solar radiation and sunspots, can influence Earth's climate. Some argue that these solar factors could be major drivers of climate change. Climate data before the industrial era may not be comprehensive enough to attribute current climate change to human activities. Therefore, the link between human actions and climate change might be weaker than we think. The urban heat island effect can distort temperature measurements, making it appear as though temperatures are rising due to human activities when, in fact, it's urbanization causing localized warming. Natural events like volcanic eruptions release large amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Some argue that these events can significantly contribute to climate change. Skeptics claim that temperature data has been manipulated or adjusted by scientists to support the narrative of human-caused climate change. They suggest data reliability issues. Critics often question the reliability and accuracy of climate models used to project future climate scenarios. They argue that these models have limitations and uncertainties. Skeptics highlight past cooling periods, like the Little Ice Age, to suggest that warming is not necessarily unusual or unprecedented, and Earth's climate naturally fluctuates. Some argue that natural sources of carbon dioxide, such as oceans and forests, release more CO2 than human activities. They believe natural processes play a more significant role. Economic concerns come into play. Critics argue that the costs of addressing climate change and transitioning to renewable energy sources may outweigh the benefits, impacting industries and livelihoods. While these points challenge the mainstream consensus on human-caused climate change, it's essential to emphasize that they do not represent the prevailing scientific viewpoint. The overwhelming consensus among climate scientists remains that human activities, particularly greenhouse gas emissions, are the primary drivers of recent climate change. This dialogue highlights the importance of continued research and open discussions in addressing one of the most critical challenges facing our planet. Whether or not you agree with these points, the urgency of addressing climate change cannot be denied. It's crucial that we all play a part in safeguarding our planet for future generations. Thank you for watching.